nasty setup. Little USB 4-port hub adapter, 3 over there, and 1 right there, which plugs into the USB slot. But it actually, you lose a USB slot with this one in particular, because you see this is obviously where it plugs in, and there's no other way to plug it in other than like that. That's the only way it's going to go into the computer. So if it was Windows, it would be plugging in like this, going this way into the computer. But since it's a Mac, it's on the opposite side. Whoops. And yeah, so you lose a USB because of that. But you know what? Whatever. But it's kind of convenient because this, my speaker cord, you can actually kind of plug it in like that. The cord fits in the top, and it's kind of a convenient storage. Of course, these are unplugging it. Pretty easy to take somewhere, maybe if you wanted to have speakers, an iPod, or maybe charger or something hooked up, more than 2, you know. And it just unplugs there, pops out. You kind of wrap it around to get it into the computer. But yeah, here's my speaker cord. This actually now acts as another plug-in, so that's kind of I thought that was a pretty cool feature. It's just a simple Next Tech. Bought it for about what, 20 bucks. There's probably better ones out there, but this was the best one I could find. I also have that 3rd cord at the top there, very short one. Basically, this is what I use for my flip, because I don't like it just sitting there. So got a little cord that'll you can plug a USB into the end of that for the flip, so that you don't have to have it directly into the computer. So that's what I'd use that one for. So yeah.
Eyesight, Final Cut Pro, iMovie HD, Motion, the Flip Nano HD, and of course, the MacBook. But I also run